And good morning to you. I'm Shaquille Lord. Today I'm joined by two very special guests, Ken Clay and Tony Green with the Walnut Street Review. They're here to talk about the soulful sounds of Derbytown that's taking place at the Kentucky Center for African American Heritage on Saturday, January 25th at 7:30. First off, thank you so much for joining us and kind of explain to us a little bit about this event and what folks can look forward to.
Well, they can look forward to coming and enjoying themselves immensely in a very full and beautiful show of black entertainment. We're going to have Big Papa Stampley, blues singer, opening up the show, and then we'll have Miss Tony Green here to my left singing some of her beautiful renditions. She's been known as the Southern Soul Queen of the Blues, and we're so pleased and happy to have her with us this year.
And Tony, why are you looking forward to this performance? And obviously, this is a big deal here. Talk to me a little bit about your excitement.
I'm so excited because I lived here before. And coming back in to be with the great and wonderful Ken Clay and the Walnut Street Review has been so just fabulous for me. So I'm here to just represent again, now, Louisville, Kentucky. So I'm just happy about that.
Yes, and it's, again, Saturday, January 25th. Talk to us a little bit about tickets. There's general and then there's VIP, right?
Yeah, there's a general, tickets are $45 each, and then there's the VIP tickets at $65.
And talk to me a little bit about how it's different this year compared to years before.
Well, the difference is going to be in the entertainment, I think. We are so pleased to have two excellent entertainers this year, both of whom are mentioned in our book, Soulful Sounds of Derbytown. And it's so good to celebrate these magnificent entertainers. Big Papa is originally from Chicago. And Miss Green here is totally from Memphis, Tennessee, kind of like the heartland of the blues.
Yes.
Okay, and she just recently was awarded the W.C. Handy Lifetime Achievement Award in Memphis, Tennessee. So we're very proud of that, of her for that.
Yeah, certainly an honor to be in your presence. Ms. Green, really quick, what can folks look forward to for your performance?
For my performance, I'm going to give everything because I love Louisville so much. And Ken Clay, who's always been just an inspiration to all of the acts that have come here from the past to now. So I am just going to give you all I've got, you know, from the heart, you know, the soul and the blues. But I got to come behind Big Papa, and that's going to be, I got to work real hard because Big Papa's going to lay it down. I already know.
Yes, he is. Listen, it's going to be a night to remember. Now, Ken, you were recently just announced as a hometown hero, this year's hometown hero. How does that feel when you got that call and when they made the announcement?
Oh, man, it was amazing. It was amazing. I'm indeed honored, indeed honored. You know, and I feel so loved and so cherished by this community. And it's a pleasure to be named and given that honor.
Yes.
It certainly is. Thank you both so much for joining us. If you're interested in learning more about the soulful sounds of Derbytown and getting tickets, just head over to our website, WLKY.com, later this afternoon. We'll have an article posted with all the information that you need to know. Ken, Tony, thank you so much for joining us. And yeah, make sure you all head out for a night to remember. Back to you.